Warning: this video contains bad language and rude humor and is unsuitable for children. If you're under the age of 13, then please click away from this video right now. I do not make these to threaten, harm, or to harass anyone during the making of these videos. Hey, what's going on everybody? I am UltraSonicHero and welcome to an all new video. So about 5 or 4 days ago I purchased two items. I purchased a PlayStation 1 console and also the HD video converter. So this HD video converter is used to improve its quality whether you're using a TV or a video game console. But the big question is, will the HD video converter actually improve its video quality on the PlayStation 1 console? Well, that's what we're going to be finding out on today's video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this package. So I wanted to get a PlayStation 1 console because for some reason the PlayStation 1 games didn't actually work on my PS2 console. So that's when I decided to... Oh crap, I almost dropped it. The PlayStation 1 games didn't work on my PS2, so that's when I decided to get this console. And wow, this guy actually packaged this box really well. And I'm just trying to see if I can cut off the sellotape. There we go. So, this HDMI video converter is supposed to improve its quality. If you have like an old TV where you can plug in your cables, the red, yellow, and white. And then you can use the HDMI cable to connect it to either your... I think you're supposed to connect it to the TV. I think if I read the manuals correctly. There we go. I just squeeze in with my scissors. Ah, there we go. There we go, that's better. Right, and then... I'm excited to open this, by the way, because I've never had a PlayStation 1 console in years. Well, I had one when I was a kid, but I missed playing those games, because I wanted to get back to playing some PlayStation games. Because one of my favourite games that I loved playing back then was Crash Bash. That was one of my favourite games I've ever played. So, here we go. I just need to tear off the tape. Or I can just open it like that. Maybe. Right. Let's get this open. Ah! Tape! Ah, here we go. Oh, but here we go. And that too, tissues. And there's the PlayStation well, the controller, not console, it's a controller. I'll just go ahead and open it up. Oh my god! I'm getting clumsy again! Right, there's my controller. See? Right, I could actually give it a clean. Just so there's no germs or bacteria. Ah, tape. There we go. Right, there's the cables. And I can just disconnect that. There we go. So that's going to go with the HD video converter. So I'm going to test that out in just a moment. But I want to unbox this. And it's the power cable for the PlayStation. And last but not least, we have the PlayStation 1 console. I'm going to tear the bag open. And there we go. There's the console, if you can see. And then check at the back. We've got the... I think that's used... No, there we go. There's the AV socket. AC power cable for the PlayStation. Right, and then in the other box, I'm actually just going to put all the rubbish in the same box that I've opened. What's the lid? Right, and I can just dispose of it. Yeah. Right, and there we go. There's my HD video converter. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. Oh, and I've got the manual as well. So it says that you can actually upscale its quality up to 720p or 1080p. But since this is a PlayStation 1 console, I'm actually going to keep it at 720p. So here's what it looks like right now. So here's the mini AV to HDMI, and the upscale. And over here we got the USB power cable. And you can upscale it to 720p or 1080p. And there's the HDMI on the other end. Color cable sockets, red, white and yellow. Alright, big question is it gonna work? While I tidy everything up, I'm just gonna do a quick edit. So I will be back in about a minute or two and I'll set everything up. Alright, so after setting up my PlayStation 1 console, I've just connected everything. I've connected my HDMI cable to the HD video converter with the AV cables. I have everything set up. All that's left to do now is to switch on the TV. Oh, and just so you know that I've connected everything on my Elgato as well. So we're going to go ahead and test that out. Fingers crossed. So I'm just going to switch on the TV right now. And you should see a screen that looks like this. 720p, 60Hz. Right, and then I'm just going to switch on my Elgato. Right, I'm just setting up my Elgato. So it should take its time to load. Probably about 10 or 15 seconds. Right, I'm going to go ahead and switch on this console by pressing this button right here. Right, hopefully this works. And we should... Oh, that is loud. Holy crap! It actually works! Oh wait, it's loading up. There we go. But yeah! Would you look at that? The HD video converter actually works! So, there we go! My PlayStation 1 with the HD video converter actually worked out perfectly. And you may be asking me, UltraSonicHero, would you recommend getting this? Yeah, I would totally recommend getting it. So, there we have it. Our PlayStation 1 console works perfectly with the HD video converter. And to be honest, I did not think it was going to work, but I'm actually satisfied. So I'm definitely going to be recording some PlayStation 1 games in the future, so if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. And that's going to be it for today's video. This has been UltraSonicHero, and I'll see you all in a brand new video. Take care.